Okay, all right. Sudeep, I wanted your view on metal stocks. But first, let's run our viewers through the 5 probable reasons that, in fact, metal stocks are buzzing today. The US Fed could be heading for a rate cut, as the Fed funds futures, well, they are pricing in close to around 87% probability of a 25 basis point cut later this month. The spotlight now will shift to Friday's non-farm payrolls data, which could determine the pace and the size of the expected rate cut. So that's point number 1. Point number 2, China's anti-involution drive, that's gathering momentum. And the new measures that are aimed to cut excess capacity and curb disorderly pricing in sectors like steel as well as base metals. This, in turn, could help reduce the supply glut and support global prices as well. Point number 3, China's economic data actually has surprised positively this week. The manufacturing PMI for the month of August came in at around 50.5. That marks the fastest pace of expansion since March. And the services PMI came in at around 53. That was early this morning. That as well beat expectations. Point number 4, India. Well, we have gone ahead and recommended that safeguard duty on steel imports for the next 3 years. That could protect the domestic producers and also remove any kind of overhang with regard to uncertainty. Point number 5, China-India relations, well, they are improving. That's boosting sentiment as well. So those are the top 5 points and probable reasons why metals are excited. Well, company-specific data as well is looking up for the month of August. MOIL, they delivered a solid growth number, and they have, delivered close to around 17% growth. But they'll have to up their game to meet their ambitious 20% volume growth guidance that they've set out. So that's on MOIL. Pricing as well as improved on MOIL. On Coal India, they delivered their first positive month after 4 straight months of decline with regard to the dispatches. So the street likes that. NMDC, well, they delivered good growth. That was fueled by the growth, 25% growth that we saw in Karnataka. So company-specific as well, things are looking up. Globally as well, things hopefully are on the mend. So to sum things up, dovish Fed signals, recovering China, India protectionist policy, as well as improving operational metrics, they are creating a perfect storm for all these metal stocks today. So that explains why that index is looking up. Sudeep,